Hello everybody, this is Mr. Majid Zidan, a teacher of English at Tarbiyya Namudajiya Schools. And this is a new video. In this video, I'm going to complete the negative and question form of past simple. Last time we studied the form of past simple and we said we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. With regular verbs, we add d, ed, IED. In the irregular forms, we studied some examples like see, saw, eat, ate, and so on. So today's lesson, inshallah, will be about the negative form in the question form of past simple. So please, all of you, open your book, page 41. Okay, let's start with the negative form. The negative form, we use didn't plus infinitive. Infinitive here means the base form of the verb. For example, when I say played, this is a past verb. So when we change it into a negative form, we have to put it in infinitive form after didn't. So it will be, yes, good, play. Okay, and this is the short form, didn't, and the full form is did not. You are free to choose each one of them, to use didn't or to use did not. Okay, now let's see the structure of the negative form. We start with the subject. And by the way, the subject can be a noun or pronoun. A noun, when I say Ahmed, the man, the school, my car, okay? And pronoun, when I say he, she, it, we, they, you, plus didn't or did not, plus the verb, plus infinitive. This is the structure of negative form. Let us see some examples. The first one, they ordered a pizza. This sentence is in past because the verb here ended with ed, and this is the form of past. When we change it into negative form, so we have to add what? Yes, exactly, to add didn't after the subject. Here, they, this is a subject. Ordered, this is a verb. Didn't is here between the subject and the verb. So let us see. They didn't order a pizza. So there are some changes. First, we added didn't. Then the verb order, we deleted ed and it becomes in the infinitive form. Okay, let us see another example. When I say my mother cooked dinner, the verb here is cooked. My mother here is the subject. Cooked here is a past verb because it ends with ed. When we change it, we add didn't here after my mother, didn't, and the verb cook becomes cooked. Yes, correct. Therefore, my mother didn't cook dinner. Okay, the next one. The boys went to the park. It's clear here the verb is went, but it is irregular verb. It's the past of go. When we change this sentence into negative, we add didn't, as we said before. After didn't, we have to change went into the infinitive form, which is go. Yes, correct. So the correct form will be the boys didn't go to the park. Yes. Okay. The boys didn't go to the park. The next form is the question form. The question form, you start with did, after that the subject plus verb, and don't forget that at the end you have to put the question mark because this is a question. So the structure is did, the subject, the verb. This question 4, you have to answer with yes or no. Let's have an example. This one, Nader watched TV. Nader here is a subject. Watch it, this is a verb. And TV, this is an object. So when we change into question, we start with did at the beginning. After that, the subject, Nader. Then the verb, but be careful, the verb here is in infinitive, like the negative form. After negative, we have infinitive. And also in question form, we have to put the verb in infinitive form. So the question will be, did Nader watch TV? And the question mark at the end. This. Did Nader watch TV? When you answer about this question, you have to say yes or no. If you say, or if you said yes, you can say, yes, Nader here is singular. So we have to use the pronoun he. The correct answer will be yes, he did. And what about no? If you said no, the answer will be no, he didn't. Let us see the answer. Did Nader watch TV? The answer, yes, he did, or no, he didn't. With no, we have to put not. The next one, Ali fell in the lake. How can we change into yes or no question? Yes, exactly. You have to start with did, the subject, the verb in infinitive form is. Did Ali fall in the lake? Yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Exactly, and here is the question mark. The next one, Muhammad and I saw the accident. Here, Muhammad and I here, the subject. So, this is the past of see, the accident. So when we change into question, we have to follow the same rule. Did Muhammad and you see the accident? I, in the sentence, we changed it into you. Okay. Did Muhammad and you see the accident? Yes, we did, or no, we didn't. Muhammad and you, they are plural. Don't use they, you have to use we, because Muhammad and you. After that, the last point in this lesson is the time expressions. There are some words. When you see them, you have to understand or to know that this sentence is in past. Like yesterday, last, like when you say last week, last weekend, last year, last month, last Friday. And then the word ago, when you say 2 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 5 years ago, and so on. The last exercise, you have 3 sentences and you have to put each one of them in negative form, question form, yes or no question. You have to answer with yes or no. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Here, Sarah jumped into the lake. Change into negative. You have to say Sarah didn't jump into the lake. Yes, correct. This is the negative form. Didn't plus jump. Here is the verb without ed. The question form, you have to start with did. When I say, did Sarah jump, without ed, jump into the lake. Don't forget the question mark because this is a question form. And when you answer, you have to say yes, yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Okay? Okay. The next one. I found a rabbit at the weekend. Negative question, yes or no? Okay, yes, you can say. Yes, very good. You have to say, I didn't, good, I didn't find a rabbit at the weekend. Good. Okay, this is the question, sorry, the negative form. Then the question form will be, did, and here is I, you have to change it into you. Did you find rabbit? And then you have to complete the sentence. The answer about this question will be yes, I did. Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Okay, the next one. The race took place at my school yesterday. The first form will be negative. The race didn't take place. Yes, took. This is irregular verb. Take place. Then complete the sentence. The next one, question 4, you have to start with did. Did the race take place? Then complete the sentence. After that, you have to put the question mark. And when you answer, you have to say, yes, here is the race. Okay, this is singular. But which subject you have to use? He, she, or it? Yes, exactly. The race here, you have to use it. Yes, it did. Or no, it didn't. Okay, this is the answer of this exercise. Thank you, boys, for your attention. I wish you understand the lesson. It's very easy. Please go to your workbook and try to answer the questions to make sure that you understood the questions or you understood the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.